Ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra or like, a comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded in minutes. Ebusian for bra penny and I say papa. Yenya yeba Mussah Dankwa. Ade Ebusian for only advisors ana. Only advisors. And so no the nani say or sorry so ko then pose. They be a pose. Obian suman no pose or pose. Except by night so say especially yena yeti MPP mono yehuni tricks. Yehuni tricks. Because Mussah Dankwa for some time now no why yes I ko establishing want to say as a kind of god in about polling. Now you say politicians also there omunim how to take advantage of people. And to once politicians who say as a Ghana for no omu ya age Mussah Dankwa predictions ne pollings ne edipe. They will want to use that avenue to sway people, to convince people to vote in a particular way. Yenim sa zanyi na yenim. Etina ya MPP muno. Sa Mussah Dankwa ni predictions, we don't really want to give ears to it. Now, I study so we say anytime NDC4 misbehave. Na nka say yentinasi. Na yenya time yen kasafa sa misbehavior NDC4 the misbehave ebra omo power we mu. Ohwana Mussah Dankwa will go and cook some so and so polls be. No the aba. Say na Ghana force, say na for Ghana force just to divert attention. This time around the MPP force say lie. Mussah for Mussah. Asa why you fasting now why you no so be trɔuble on Mussah. Mussah why you fasting 1 month? Ewie no usan be trɔuble kan. There be Mussah where the MP be wallahi isi me lie raman MP se be trɔuble. Fasting na we here no. I say reflect your abrabom. Aden in 25% now more affiliated to NPP. Oh, Mussah. Ahanye US for na citizens no timi catch also I'm affiliated to GOP. I'm affiliated to the Democrat. Most of the time people like to even cover our political affiliation. And one of the main reasons ni say omu say government power say no omu fanche there be that. If you don't know your information leak say we MPP ni now you like you say abanjuma yenipe you di. And you don't expect many people will feel free and feel comfortable answering to your questionnaire and tell you say omu affiliated to the MPP. And the timing of this very poll no questionable because Kasafa Ibrahim Mahama ni Mahama for Omubusian for taking over all the mining industry, the entire mining industry of this country. Mahama family not take over. Kasafa hono and as am yes as say okay say open crack say 100% people ni na or more affiliated to NDC. Famom yempe fane ina mom. It's shamu trick. We will not fall for those cheap propaganda. We know what is ahead of us. We know where we are headed. We know the plans we are implementing. And by the time we are done, the elephant will be back to the Jubilee House. That is it. And now, as of for, it's as of for na mo umpa I chose umpese umbeshen komai. Now pastors are even looking for ways to come and associate to the MPP Omunya because it's an answer. Yeah, let's go and listen to what our friends from Movement TV think about Mussah Dankwa and send me. But before then, for your studio, no contributions, no donations, no Watch a mobile why na never screen as a kito bi anso ayeda mo sese na mo de bia. Now let's listen. Cheers.
2025.
Okay, was it competitive
so is gone.
It's gone.
Also repeating in 2026. In fact, Parliament December March this year, I had a gun so as I repeat your Parliament say so in the womb. Mahama Bemu.
Now you trust President Mahama at your own risk. President Mahama. Me wakasa, yes, bia. Me person be at TFD, the work can be a media program bina. And we have so betty because we never be a film. President Mahama, we are me free say woman the whole world. The whole president was inconsistent to say your Mahama da. All custom neno. I will not bear him. Not some no cost. I want to grab you. Gina walk as assemble. Yen you say, and to never no more. I don't know. Not go down. But you about the presidency and hobby. Oh, and your business.
I did be by a cop.
Mammy,
Cobra. I buy my dear cop.
Messada be seems to see. Say Mussah Dankwa say MPP say the your membership no and the popularity na tia ba be do 25%.
Oh, am I one cry pay?
And this is what the atia be do say. Was it 45%?
I'm from the uncle 60.
So we be a win the presidency 57%. Ne de atia ba be do 45%. Or no okuta state resources. Ya utimi yo be papa. Utimi mo bi di ye. Or no de no atia 57 be do 45 wa. Now, you said there's no government in Ghana.
Yeah.
It is at the end of the year, Juma. Say you're there 25 MPP. And a government today 45.
Now I 70.
That be just say fine.
Now I'm trying to.
It means Obian would be across 50% plus one. It means
plus one.
It means Ghana and always say no. You need to say your leadership. But what the bacon as
upon Mokamu to 2
upon the way. It means and they got to a bar. And this in
MPP in
government are 1 year 3 months pay. No be so unpopular to the extent say the year kotwa ba adia we winning with 57 percent no. What be so unpopular to the extent say ultimately reach 50% no.
Oh, Mussah Dankwa say koko and somewhere buy here any patriot to munina still MP Crawford so MPP. But you see what I see a trick. Say anytime NDC for finding their back against the wall piano. And say Mussah Dankwa EDB be trying to divert attention from a year koso.
But in no or power social media so.
I don't know what
is catch yourself madam for UK or man. Like a teacher man you could say cause Michelle madam for be.
Okay, how was no?
Be able to abandon was pardon. Me trouble big to Facebook and social media. Say TikTok or say Facebook. Say the go be sitting at temper. But say 30 messages in a 30 comments never first turning in nine word boy any insult. Say Mussah Dankwa di ma or power you don't live by Mussah Dankwa standards. That quite the standard any day. It is what pretty the baby say abemwa. Fine by just say one about how we should live our life. How we should conduct ourselves. Me say abanya just last year now you see na CD divorce saying. CD divorce year before barometer be a CD divorce year no. We refi. And I hear for them. I hear for them. Yes, so more they gave Mahama almost 60%. Other than the Mussah Dankwa occupy 45. And teacher said there's no consistency anywhere. Say it is a back popular. It will cut across virtually about 4 different opinion polls in that ebeba. But in the Mukweku. Say NDC are popular. Someone popular. Say MPP are popular. Say you're popular. You keep on entreating your leaders. Any MPP for say yen share sapomusu ya arrange ye huye yen put ye hu in order na registration e koso e dey say 23rd and I say 24th okay yen encourage obi na obi enko register wa obi ba ho so obeto the day so ni di ema no I want to take about on that we should take on the government and yam say a bear press conference.
MPP bear press conference.
And a minority to be you.
Okay. An MPP bear press conference on the pay.
I yes in a bay. Media credit was saying on roads.
On roads. Me who say no pay some median fee actually be there to Facebook to see a bear 10 minutes ago. Say I in the fear quite no. Say na quite na say we Ghana no. So mo ka say mo ye positive ten na omo ntimi nwia kwan ntina hu behia say ntu no mo yusu so some say
akwan say wa bodam
eti ne kwan ne ono ne pika so konton so say
na me gina ho na nkofo aba mi koko ikra me hata ikra mfa so bia ni so because first ka koko kakra menyen nke bia me de kwa metu enya be say 2000 we ya kotisui ebi anu menya be 1005 no one de krontia fiti don diago dia azambuja abreso ebesi jomama breso yente koko so da this is the first time yeti koko so and hadwin on the ground ama kofo bebre ko galamsey area some person mo de koko no ema na kofo de betu galamsey e de sa asase no
say world market na mateso until I'm
na world market dey be ate so to so enya nnepe na yate world market so don na me dey be aye to so yes ate so but ekuafo say be ye to world market so a normal determine price that go to so ana to so nti we die enga ya ade a se jomama pekoko farmers asema nke also to me absorb dey akoye afi o si fertilizer o be cheni free on we ko Burkina Faso ni ma koton ya dia cocoa farmers no ombenya obi adoni cocoa a open fertilizer utu eni sika ma na obetumi atoni fertilizer nya afi no makofa aba say 2000 tons mo dey aba mo be che 500,000 na dey aka no mo dey afa kwanche ehun dede a ye beti. I think that is a wrong move by this government, and for the first time cocoa farmers are very, very angry about the promises are on my Sebi almost cast on 6,000. No one is a well market a cost river for. So sana your mama coca say oh licensure examination teachers we are omo ye no. Ojina ho say on TB da na oni pa wako school actual exams are owie ya SM bachelor exams. But no do betwem. Ena na say ya mama ya ga say o man kasa. Na yet your memu na politicians mu ye say ya na ema mugidi a ye wo mu no ya abafom kra me nji ni se sa wadada teacher for who said that no kind teacher for si ye ene omo wa hefa teacher for kro ya mo si o se nkwara ni wie omo training college a mo be ye automatic placements automatic placements and then kwara na wie school omo aye postu omo kra omo sika kra yentua emo nti mi chitumpa se de ye ne de ekoi New Patriotic Party put you act together 2028 ebe win election
and this was the mess with
no mi gina ho na nkofo aba mi koko ikra me hata ikra mfa so bia ni so because first ka koko kakra menyen nke bia me de kwa betu enya be se 2000 we ya kotisui ebi anu enya be 1005 no one de krontia fiti don diago dia azambuja abreso ebesi jomama breso yente koko so da this is the first time yeti koko so and hadwin on the ground ama kofo bebre ko galamsey area some person mo de koko no ema na kofo de betu galamsey e de sa asase no
say world market na mateso until I'm
na world market dey be ate so to so enya nnepe na yate world market so don na me dey be aye to so yes ate so but ekuafo say be ye to world market so a normal determine price that go to so ana to so nti we die enga ya ade a se jomama pekoko farmers asema nke also to me absorb dey akoye afi o si fertilizer o be cheni free on we ko Burkina Faso ni ma koton ya dia cocoa farmers no ombenya obi adoni cocoa a open fertilizer utu eni sika ma na obetumi atoni fertilizer nya afi no makofa aba say 2000 tons mo dey aba mo be che 500,000 na dey aka no mo dey afa kwanche ehun dede a ye beti. I think that is a wrong move by this government, and for the first time cocoa farmers are very, very angry about the promises are on my sebi omo kasa omo ma 6,000 no mu say well market say cost riba for so sa na your mama koka say oh licensure examination teachers we are omo ye no ojina ho say on TV da na oni pa wako school atro exams owie ya say metro exams but no de obetwem ena na say ya mama ya ga say o man kasa na yet your memu na politicians mu ye say ya na ema mu gidi a ye wo mu no ya abafom kra me nji ni say sa wada teacher for who say da no kan teacher for see ye ene omo wa hefa